Hello friends, today's topic is syllable. So let's start studying about it. So let's start focusing some definitions about it. First one is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sounds with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole or a part of a word. Now the second one is a syllable is a complete word or a part of the word with one vowel sound. Guys, a syllable is a single unbroken sound of a spoken word. Syllables usually contains a vowel. For an example, car, C-A-R, car, there is unbreakage of a sound. The next is the number of times that you hear the sound of a vowel is the number of syllables in a word. And every word has 1, 2, 3 or many more parts depending on how big a word is. So every part of that word is called syllable. Sometimes a consonant can also behave as a vowel if it creates an A, E, I or U sounds in a word. For an example, fry, try, cry and dry. So guys, when two vowels are next to each other, the number of syllables depends on the number of vowel sounds. For an example, free, one syllable, eat, one syllable and ba-yo, that is containing two syllables. Friends, in the word fire, one vowel is silent, so that will not count it as a syllable. Like fire, fire. Now, what is a monosyllable? That is an utterance or a word having only one syllable. For example, in this sentence, for, what, do, we, live, but, to, make, sport, for, our neighbors, and laugh at them in our turn. Here, all are monosyllables except neighbors, because in that there are neighbors. Neighbors means the word neighbor has two syllables. So here are some examples related to monosyllables. Now friends, you all have to pronounce it with me and you will see there is only one vowel sounds in all of the words. So let's start with car, car, ball, ball, dog, dog, bag, bag, man, man, and the last one is cat, cat. So as you all see, these words contains only one vowel sounds without a breakage of it. So these were the examples of monosyllables. Now here are some examples of bisyllables also. So let's pronounce it also with me. First one is batted, batted, chicken, chicken, bio, bio, eating, eating, and the last one is tiger, tiger. So friends, syllabification has 6 types. They are, if one syllable is there, then that will be called as monosyllabic word. If two, that is disyllabic or bisyllabic word. If three, that will be called trisyllabic word. 4 will be considered as tetra, 5 penta, and if there are more than that, then polysyllabic or multisyllabic word. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more details, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.